Natural Universe. My name is Paris Kemamo. To my new viewers and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. To my new viewers, welcome to the click. I hope you guys are doing fine. I'm doing fine myself, and today I have yet another new hairstyle for the day. So I had these braids on my tutas 2 days ago after washing my hair, and I want to take them down and figure out what I'm going to style. So let's just get into it. So I'll be using some coconut oil and and a comb, because I feel like they are a little bit tight. So this is the final look, and I think this is a very simple but presentable hairstyle. Anyone can do it, so just try it yourself. Bye bye, see you next time.